Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is April. I go by Ruby Rouge here on the YouTubes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you in fact do like the content. And don't forget to leave a comment. It's the best part of making videos on YouTube is chatting with you guys. And let's get into today's video. Today it's lucky bag season, and that's basically like the week and a half, the 2 weeks of the year that everybody's getting their lucky bags and looking to see what they got, and you're either disappointed or you're really excited. I won't hold you with much of an explanation. I feel like that most of you who are into lucky bags know what lucky bags are. Basically it's a Japanese version of a mystery box. The tradition is to clear out inventory that is getting dated or old. So it's a way to kind of pass along things at a discounted price, but also give you the surprise and the mystery. They are sold out for the year. If you're interested, Beautylish always has a link on their site. You can just sign up for email notifications and they will let you know updates on when the next available purchase, it's always in January, but the next time you can purchase, they'll let you know, send you an email and be like, hey, you can get your lucky bag today. Or no, I'm sorry, it's not January. It's always the day after Christmas. Right? Or am I messing that up? I feel like I'm kind of messing that up. So last year I did a video on BoxyCharm, and I did a video, I think it was last year, it was the year before, I'll link it somewhere, but I was kind of looking at my subscription and I was thinking, is this worth it? Is this doing good things for me, or is it time for me to kind of cut the cord from BoxyCharm and stop this nonsense? And so I did all the numbers, I worked all the numbers, went through all the products that I got, and I was really shocked, to be honest. I really recommend you check that video out. It was really eye-opening, and it was kind of just, it was kind of fun and interesting to do at the same time, but it really just hit me that I probably should not be getting subscription boxes. Probably at all. You know, I'm not getting any right now, but just, I was like, yeah, just, probably not a good thing for me to do. So in that kind of spirit of fairness, I was like, well, let me see what lucky bags, should I keep doing this? Am I wasting my money here too? Am I perpetuating waste? Like what's going on with these? I mean, the surprise of getting a bunch of stuff, a bunch of fun makeup products is like one thing, and it's exciting and fun, but if I'm left with a bunch of junk and just stuff to give away and declutter and trash, that's a whole nother issue. So let's just get into the products and the numbers. I'll try to flash some pictures and make this a little more interesting than just you staring at my face, because I know most of y'all don't want to stare at my face. I don't want to stare at my face, and I'm sure you don't either. So anyways, letting you know, I have a green, orange, and red system. So products that you see may be highlighted if I flash them up in green, that means they're the best. I use them, I love them, and consider repurchasing. Sometimes I'll refer to orange products. Orange products are the things that I can manage to use, but I probably won't repurchase. And then there's red products. Red products are the products that don't work for me at all, and I have to declutter them, pass them along, throw them away, something, but they're not usable for some reason. Let's just start with 2017. So 2017 was the first box I ever got, and I did not film it. I was 8.5 months pregnant, and yeah, I guess I just didn't want to film it. I wish I had though, because now I have to remember what was in that box, and I'm sure this isn't entirely accurate, but I'm pretty certain that the products were this Natasha Denona palette. I forget the name of it, but I'll flash a picture up. Natasha Denona palette was $48, a mini Bioderma, which was $5, Wayne Goss fan brush was $25, and a Smith & Colt nail polish for $18, and then a Wayne Goss 00 brush for $85. I paid $85 for the box. That was including shipping, and the total value of the box ended up being $181. I did hate and decluttered the Smith & Colt polish because I just really wasn't impressed with the formula. It just did not wear well, and was like, why is this like a $20 nail polish? Couldn't figure it out. That was out. The Wayne Goss fan brush and the Natasha Denona 5-pan palette were like orange products, because I mean, like, they're both good products, but they both weren't that great. Usable for me, The Natasha Denona Browns palette was just kind of hit and miss, but they're okay. They're not really the perfect products for me, but overall I got some use for them. So I had $73 of like okay products in that category. And then lastly, there was the Bioderma and the Wayne Goss 00, and those were great products, and I'm really happy that I got those. I use them a bunch. The Bioderma is long gone. The Wayne Goss brush is still in current rotation, and I love it. And those were $90 total. So overall, I had $18 decluttered and $163 of items that were useful for me. So that was pretty good value. $85 box, and I got $163 worth of product. 2018. This was an XL box, and I paid $165 for this box. So they were a little bit cheaper than they are now. And I feel like I got an extra lucky one on this particular year. It ended up being worth about $538. I'm unable to find some of the exact prices for these products because some of them were like sets that are no longer available. But so I'm having to kind of guess based on my memory, and I didn't put it in the video for whatever reason. So if it isn't exact, it's kind of close. I know it's kind of close, hopefully. I'm trying my best here, but I feel like the $535 number is pretty close to the value of that box. So first off, I got things that I hated in that box. I got By Terry Terribly Rouge Liquid Lipstick Set, and I priced that at $65, although I just cannot remember at all. That was terrible. I can't believe By Terry even had the nerve to call those the Terribly Rouge because they were so terrible. They were awful. So those were gone. Kevyn Aucoin Liquid Lighting was just like this lighting highlightery liquid stuff. I have absolutely no use for that, so that's gone. So I had $117 of non-useful product in that one. But then I received the Amore Vixa face polish at $99 and a Suasu mask at $15. And I managed to use both of those, but I would never buy either one of them. So they were just kind of like ho-hum products. And then I got a mini Bioderma at $5. I've already expressed my love there. An Orbe repair kit that was roughly $100. Loved that product. I did a whole review on that set. Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips. Love that. Still use that product today. By Terry Sun Designer Palette. Still using that today. Still love it. Wayne Goss number 12. Use it all the time. Natasha Denona Aries palette. Still use that all the time. So that was $5, $134, $85, $53, and $48. Overall, $436 in good products. So 2018 was a hit. 2019, $85 in a regular box. I didn't get any dud products in the year of 2019. I received the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in Amethyst, which I do use from time to time and I do enjoy, and the Orbe Mystify Restyling Spray. Those were, oh, I didn't write it down. I think the Cover FX was like, no, shoot. Okay. I didn't write the Cover FX down. I can't remember. It's around the $30. And then the Orbe Mystify Restyle It was $22. I probably wouldn't have bought either of these, and I probably wouldn't purchase either of these. Therefore, they're orange, but they were good, so that's $50 in the okay category. Then I got a Syrah eyelash color, which I love this eyelash color. I use it all the time. I got a Wayne Goss number 10, which I do enjoy and still use. Good Molecules Serum, which is the eye brightening serum, which I have like 2 uses left in. I need to finish and get rid of. An ABH Soft Glam palette, which I still use and enjoy. So I have $123 in that box of stuff that I love. Total of 2019 box, $173 of good products in an $85 box. Lastly, 2020. I didn't do 2021 for several reasons. I'll get to that in just a second. 2020 is another $85 box. Decluttered products were Cover FX glitter drops. I don't even want to go there. $44. Beautylish Faux Fur Brush Roll. I don't even want to go there. Either $14. Neither one of those products were good for me. I had zero use for it. I can't imagine finding a use for it. So that was basically $58 down the toilet in bad products. But in the orange, I'm going to add the Pharmacy Activated Vitamin C Mask. I put it in the orange category simply because I haven't had the chance to try it yet. It looks really, really promising, but I'm one of those people who I kind of like to finish a few things before I open new things so they're not sitting there expiring. So I've kind of waited to open it, but it's coming soon and I'm really excited to use it. So that's $38 in the orange category just because I really don't know. It might be the most terrible product ever. Then I got a $36 Sonia G Worker Brush. I can't remember. I think it's the Worker 2 or the Worker 3. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if there is, like, if those are 2 legit things. But I got that brush and it's one of my favorite brushes of all time. I reach for that brush more than I think I reach for any of my other blending eye brushes. I also got the Charlotte Tilbury palette of pops, which I just recently fell in love with this past winter Christmassy season, and Good Molecules toner, which I have just started using, but I really do like. It's the niacinamide brightening toner. Did really enjoy that. So once again, I have $141 of useful to me products in an $85 box. I didn't include 2021. You can go watch that video just simply because I don't know how I feel about the products at this point, so I can't really like put them in categories and tell you whether they're useful or not to me until probably like next year when I've had a chance to actually like try the products out. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave them. If you want to go check out that video and see what I got this year, check that out. And I just want to say that I've watched a lot of videos and I know that like not everyone has a really positive experience. Not everyone gets like boxes that work for them and products that work for them. A lot of people, especially people who shop a lot at Beautylish or who buy tons and tons of makeup throughout the year, you're going to get repeat products. And you know, like I got something today that I think a lot of people already have, and you know, you would be disappointed. So, I mean, it is a chance you take, and I'm not trying to like convince anyone of any sort of agenda. I don't have any agenda here other than just to kind of show you my journey. I didn't have any idea how this product would turn out, honestly, but I started crunching these numbers. I didn't know it was going to be this favorable for the most part, and honestly, I could have played with the numbers and made things look a little different because, I mean, there's such a markup on these high-end products, like the $99 face scrub, dude. I'm never paying $99 for a face scrub. Like, to me, not judging you if you do, but to me that is just like whoosh. I mean, maybe one day, never say never, but I mean, I wouldn't pay that. So is it $99 worth of value to me? I don't know. You know what I mean? So there's room to play with that kind of ideas and stuff. So I'm not trying to like force an agenda. I'm not trying to tell you the Beautylish Luckybags are amazing for everybody is what I'm getting at. I will say that compared to what I was paying for BoxyCharm and getting in BoxyCharm, the amount of waste is a heck of a lot less. So the percentage of products that I'm keeping versus what I was keeping in there, totally different. I really recommend you check out that video. So yeah, once again, this video just served as a little bit of a check-in for me to make sure that I wasn't wasting my money. I have a few more numbers to share with you, and then I'm gonna take off. And I spent through 2020, so 2017, 18, 19, 20, I spent $417 in Lucky Bags. I received $1,091 in product, which is pretty crazy. $638 of that product was like great green light type stuff. $260 was orange light type, you know, I get through it. And then 193 of those things, the 193 of those dollars were product that was just unusable to me, and I either passed along, most of the stuff I think I passed along to friends or family. But yeah. Anyways, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Let me know if you've ever done anything similar like to one of these kind of videos, analyzing what you got from your subscription boxes, because I'm really curious about other subscription boxes and how they stack up. Yeah. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.